Friends, have you ever thought why we are not able to take financial decisions, especially the payment, like paying somewhere? So, whether it is a money training or whether it is anything, the payment, happening instantly with our decision making. So, here the point is, which I want to make you present, because all of us want an empowered financial freedom in our life, in our children's life, and mentoring and training, we know already that it's like stretching us like a rubber band. So why we are not able to do that? Because we are actually our brainchild. How, when I say this, what I mean, we are in control or of our subconscious, and there are blocks and limitations which are not visible, and these are around us, and these are actually blocked our thinking process. So it comes in one way, the thinking. And if I explain you, there is this is the the knowledge of the whole world and the universe. So we know a part of it, and there are still things which we are learning, which are like a little more part. Like I have to learn how to fly an aeroplane, and I have to learn swimming. But there is a major part which are our blind spots and limitations. So these major part of our life constitute, because it's the major part, so it has the major impact on us. So here we don't know that, and these are things which we don't know. So this is an area wherein you generally this will come with discovery and a huge training and self introspection, inspection and realization. And we say we want to create life, design life. So what about the life skills? So the life skills and the wheel of fortune. So these are some areas wherein we need to really sit and think. These are blank, so we have to put in our words. Because see, if this circle is a world of reason, there are two worlds, the world of reason and the world of performance. So if this is world of reason, you will have fears, which brain is sending the vibration, the brain is sending all time. So here you will have excuses, you will have fears, you will have doubts, and you will have all limitations. And this will be an area, the world of performance, wherein you have to really take decisions, and you are in action, and you are trusting yourself, you are believing yourself. So the result comes here, the result doesn't come here. So I invite you people so to actually have a conversation with your brain and go for mentoring, because financial freedom is one thing. So I am conducting two batches. One is for adults and the parents specifically, and one is for children 9 to 19 years, 10th and 11th October, and the adult training is happening now. So please don't miss the chance and have conversation. What this training is very different to offer you, and how it is going to transform your life. Because I can vouch, that this simple conversations will actually have your life transform into like a financially very accomplished individual and parents.